I get up in the morning to come to work because I enjoy what we do. We're constantly repairing. We're not demolishing. We're constantly fixing, sorting problems for people. Kinesis helps us at a glance at our tablets, our phones, our monitor in the office, our computers. We can see exactly where every vehicle is, what speed they're doing, and where they're going to pretty much immediately. The benefits are time management. There's also the obvious cost savings in being more efficient in getting the work done. Being more efficient for the customer and being more efficient for ourselves saves money for everybody. The specific feature that I like most about the system is the app. Popping it up on the phone on a Saturday evening gives me immediate peace of mind. I don't have to check where guys are. I don't like checking where guys are. We're not that type of company, but it gives us that peace of mind that we know our staff are doing what they're supposed to be doing. For our customers, we're able to give them an answer straight away as to when they ring to see where our technician is. We can tell what time he's going to arrive at, give or take a few minutes. It's a very useful tool for identifying where a technician might be at any one time and redirecting them to a more urgent job. Our vans are driven more economically, but more importantly, they're driven safer. We've had, over the last number of years, maybe a couple of million kilometres done completely accident-free, and hopefully it stays that way.